Hey everyone, this is Ryan coming to you live on Got Oil Supplies and Instagram. It is February 1st, and therefore we are launching a brand new subscription box. Yes, it's a little later in the morning. I hope everyone had a chance to sleep in. I hope everyone enjoyed their January and that they're keeping with their New Year's resolutions. And February is no different. We just got to keep plugging forward. And so I'm so excited about this month. We've been working hard to come up with great collections for you guys each and every month in our subscription service. And so if you are one of our amazing subscribers, thank you from God Oil Supplies. And if you're not, check out our subscription services. We have the best subscription service in all of the essential oil kingdom. We have two boxes. We have a builder box and an oiler box. Our oiler box is for personal use. And so if you love essential oils, you're going to for sure want to get in our oiler box. Hey, Lanita, how are you? Thanks for chiming in. Of course, if you guys are watching me live, comment, like, share these videos with your essential oil friends, your groups. We really appreciate it. And then we also have a builder box. And so if you love essential oils and you're trying to grow your essential oil business, you're going to want to sign up for our builder box. We give you monthly supplies to throw, make and take classes, DIY classes, and just a lot of accessories to help you share your essential oils. And so again, if you're not one of our subscribers, head over to God Oil Supplies, check it out. Every month we have brand new collections. And so let's get into our February collection that we have created for you guys. So Karen, our in-house certified aromatherapist, she's great, and she worked really hard at coming up with the top essential oil DIYs that you can make with silicone molds. And so we have designed our very own purple silicone mold just for you guys. And so each silicone mold has 10 cavities shaped as an essential oil bottle. And this right here can do so many things. So we're going to talk about the top essential oil DIY for silicone molds right now. And so you're going to get one of these molds. It doesn't matter if you have an oiler box, builder box, oiler box, you're going to get one of these too. It's awesome. And so let me just show you how fun these are. So Karen, again, our certified aromatherapist, she made a lotion bar inside of our silicone mold. And look how cute this is. I'm going to hold that up there. Can you guys see that? I mean, it looks like an essential oil bottle. It is amazing. And you can do so many things with a silicone mold. And that's why I'm here to explain to you all the cool things that you can make inside of your brand new purple silicone mold. I'm going to show this from the side so you can see how deep these are. These silicone molds are great. So let me show you the label sheet. We have this awesome label sheet, super cute picture on top. And so Karen has come up with a ton of amazing recipes for you guys. And so I'm just going to go through a few of them so you guys know what's in store, and so you guys are going to be like, man, I really want this collection. I'm going to head over to godoilsupplies.com right now and sign up for a subscription box because she does have amazing recipes. And so she has recipes in here for Eucalyptus Shower Melts. If you've never used a shower melt, hey Debbie, how are you doing? I'm glad you're excited. I am excited too. Shower melts are fantastic, and they're not just for when you're sick. They are great, especially if you need help waking up in the morning and you make this eucalyptus shower melt. Throw it on the shower floor, and let the vapors just inhale the vapors during your shower. It's amazing. You guys are gonna love Karen's recipe on this. Lotion bars. So shower melts, number one. Lotion bars, which are awesome. So, it's still winter. I don't know if you have dry feet, dry hands. Lotion bars are great. They're always great. And this is one that you guys might not have think of. Again, our new collection is top essential oil DIYs that you can make inside of silicone molds. So these are 4 silicone molds. And this one I haven't seen a lot of. And so our certified aromatherapist, this one is actually super great. It's a toilet balm. So if you guys, and you might be like, Ryan, why do you want a toilet balm? It makes cleaning your toilet easy. And it smells great, and it's all natural. You don't have to worry about any of those harsh chemicals when you're cleaning your toilet. You can make toilet bombs. And so that recipe is right here on this recipe sheet. You can go, Got Old Supplies, subscribe to one of our subscription boxes and pick this up. And that's just the front page. Let's get to the back page. Bath Fizzies. Everyone loves bath bombs, myself included, but they're not always easy to make, and they don't always work. Let me just say that. Bath bombs are not easy, but Karen has taken all the guesswork out of it. She has an amazing bath fizzy recipe that's foolproof. You follow the recipe, they are going to be great, and you're going to make them right here inside your Got Old Supplies silicone mold. So bath bombs are great. Another one that a lot of people don't think of, Lenita, yes, the toilet bomb is the bomb, is a candle melt. Have you ever seen, a lot of people use like those candle warmers that they come with this little scented candle melt that goes inside. You just put it in the light, you turn on the light, it melts and helps the house or room smell amazing. Well, have you ever thought that you can make your own candle melt with essential oils? Amazing, right? It is awesome. Candle melts, another great essential oil DIY that you can make with silicone molds. And we still have a couple more. And a couple of these, and I still think that these are new ideas that a lot of people haven't really made. So candle melts, awesome. Toilet bombs, awesome. The next one is a garbage disposal disc. Have you guys ever been washing your hands in the sink and have been like, whoa, what is that smell? And you just have old food or just whatever, from a dirty pan, like smelling up your kitchen because your garbage disposal has like all sorts of gross stuff in it. You can make your own homemade essential oil garbage disposal disc that you can just pop in your garbage disposal, let it do its thing, and freshen up your entire kitchen. It is great. You guys are going to love that one. And she also, last but not least, there's a recipe on here for sugar scrub cubes, which are great. Like if you need to exfoliate, you have dry skin, let's just say, Valentine's Day is coming up. You want to glow for your Valentine's Day date. Sugar scrub cubes. They are amazing. So again, all these things can be made right here inside of your silicone mold from Got Old Supplies. So tons of great recipes this month in our top essential oil DIYs for silicone molds collection that is only available in our oiler and builder boxes. Head over to Got Old Supplies, check it out, subscribe now. And this is unusual because we're quite a ways into our Facebook and Instagram live here, and I haven't even shown you guys the labels. You can't see them behind me. These labels look, and I know you guys know what I'm going to say, but these labels look amazing. They really do. So I'm going to hold this up so you guys can see these. You don't need to see me. Look at how great these labels are. And so you'd be like, Ryan, why do I need labels if I'm making stuff for, in silicone molds? And so you can put your homemade DIY essential oil creations inside of mason jars like this one right here. We made a whole bunch of those lotion bars. Throw it in here, slap a label on here. If you use cellophane bags and you want to make samples to, share with other people, spread the word about essential oils, grow your essential oil business, just slap one of these amazing labels on a cellophane bag. It doesn't matter if you use like a Ziploc container, a Ziploc bag. you can use these labels anywhere. So we have labels for the lotion bars, for the bath fizzies, the sugar scrub cubes, the shower melt, toilet balm, candle melt, the garbage disposal disc, and of course, all of our label sheets, as you well know, come with the lid stickers included. So if you just want to give someone like a small sample, just put a little lid sticker on the sample. Easy and great to share. And if you guys haven't checked out our content management system notebooks, please go and do it. As you can see, these label sheets right here have the holes punched on the side. So our label sheets and our recipe sheets, they all have the holes already punched out on the side, and they fit right here inside of our content management system notebooks. And so we have a tab right here for recipes, a tab right here for labels, and you can just put all of your subscription content inside these amazing notebooks that we have at God Supplies. And they're only $10. Yes, Sarah, Purple Heart, definitely. These right here we make them, they're inexpensive, $10. You can keep all of your essential oil content from God Supplies organized neatly. These are great. Go and pick one up, especially if you're one of our subscribers. You're going to need it. That way, each and every month, you can just put your label sheet, your recipe sheet right inside your notebook. Easy, easy and done. So let's talk a little bit more about the individual subscriptions. As I mentioned earlier, we do have an oiler box, which is great for personal use. It is only $19.95 a month. So inside of our February subscription oiler boxes, you will get one of our 5 ml oil bottle DIY, DIY silicone molds. So you're going to get one of these inside your oiler box, and you also get one sheet of labels and one sheet of recipes. And so great value. You're going to love it. We just make it so easy for you to learn how to use your essential oils in different ways. We're trying to expand your horizons and help you learn how to make all those amazing recipes that I already talked to you about. And so only $19.95 a month. If you love oils, go sign up right now. And then we have the Builder Box, which is $39.95 a month. And the great thing about the Builder Box is every month all the supplies come in at a $60 value or higher. So you're saving a ton of money, right out of the gate by subscribing to our Builder Box. $20 off every box, 33% off. Best value in essential oil supplies. And we also launched this brand new perk last month in January. And so if you didn't know this, spread the word. All of our Builder Box subscribers, they automatically save 5% off everything on GotOilSupplies.com. You subscribe to a Builder Box, and we automatically give you 5% off all your orders at GotOilSupplies.com. So if you need extra supplies, you need extra roller bottles or labels, they're automatically going to be 5% off for all of our Builder Box subscribers. And so our Builder Box subscribers, they love doing DIY classes, make and take workshop classes. And so we are going to include 2 of our brand new silicone molds in every Builder Box, which is a huge value. These are $16.95 each. And so we give you 2 of these inside of your Builder Box. And then we don't just give you 1 sheet of each. We give you 12. You get a dozen label sheets and a dozen recipe sheets. That way you can make tons of DIYs to share. They're great for your DIY classes. Everyone that comes to your make and take class, give them a label sheet so they can take it home. So a dozen label sheets, and these are $2.49 each. You get 12 of these. You get 12 recipe sheets, 2 silicone molds, which makes it easier to make your essential oil DIYs. And all that for just $39.95. And we make it easy. We automatically come up with brand new collections every month. Not just sometimes. We don't just like, hey, should we do a subscription? No, we do it every month for you guys. We come up with something new, and it is great. Plus, all of our content fits inside of our content management notebook. You guys are going to love it. So we are always here for you guys. If you have any questions, send us a message on Facebook Messenger. Email us at info@gotoilsupplies.com. Give us a phone call. we are here. Comment on this video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, please let us know. We will do our best to get back in touch with you guys because we are here for you. And so I really appreciate everyone that took time out of their Saturday to watch my Instagram or Facebook Live and check out our brand new subscription boxes. Hey, Linda, thanks so much for commenting. I really do appreciate all of our customers. You guys are great. And so until our next Facebook Live, I hope everyone has a great February. I hope everyone has a lovely weekend. And so I'm Ryan from God Oil Supplies, wishing everyone the best. And so until next time, bye-bye.